Hi my dears, today is unboxing day and I just received these letters from my supplier. I'm so impatient to see what they sent me because we talked about the colors only, and for some letters I didn't see them. So, but first, don't forget to subscribe. The new projects are coming. Bags, dresses, small things, crochet, everything. I love a lot of things to do, and I hope it will be interesting for you. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, you know. Now let's see what's inside this big roll. Oh, be careful, Maggie. Okay, let's see. I will not need my scissors, so let's start to see what is inside. Oh my god, they are really big letters. And I see something very, very nice. Whoop. That's okay. First, it's like cognac brandy. It's a goat. Take a look here. So it's kind of Rodrigo Sancho. I don't know this producer, but the leather is very, very nice. It's like a cognac color. Super. Very, very happy. And the back side is like velvet. Very nice color and very nice leather. This one is kind of dark green leather. Also it's a soft leather, fine leather. Yeah, I like it. Especially I wanted something, let's say olive green, some kind of military green, and this one is more or less okay. Also the back is like velvet. The black piece I ordered. My supplier warned me that it has defects, but he gave me so good price, and for small details I have enough place, so I can live with this. Here the leather is very nice, so it will be used for sure. Now this print, I don't know if you know this brand. It's a Furla brand for bags, and take a look what I have. These are the details. The colors are so nice, take a look. And these are covers for bags. The brand is printed here, and also I have a lot of small details like this with butterflies. I'm sure I can make something nice with this leather. Let's see what else I have here. Oh, this one is very, very nice. It's a sky blue leather, a little bit glittering, cracked a little bit. Very nice leather. It's a soft leather. Yeah, the back again, it's perfect. And I was very curious what kind of Bordeaux color I will receive, and I really like it. It's not brown, it's very dark wine red, very dark, and it's a soft leather. I like it. I thought it will be a little bit more red, but it's more brown. I like it. It will be used for sure. It's a big leather. And take a look. Actually, I was not sure about this color. It's a croco print. And it's in pink and beige. I like it. It's a soft leather. And I'm sure I can make something very nice from this croco print leather. And now the other one. Oh my god, it's pink, but kind of purple pink. Also croco print, fuchsia, it's written here, but it's a light fuchsia. Also it could be made with something in beige. Yeah, it's a nice color. It's not bright pink. It's a very, very nice color. And that one, especially that one, I was very curious what I will receive. And it's a very nice Bordeaux, wine red color. That one is super. The back side is red, not so bright red, but the face is perfect. It's a very nice leather, and my elegant bags are coming. Take a look at all this beauty, my dears. I'm so happy. I love the colors, the leathers, and how not to be extravagant with these leathers. So the new projects are coming. I'm happy. I will call my supplier to make him happy too, because I know he's waiting a call from me, because every time I receive something, I shoot straight. If I don't like something, I'm telling him, and now I will make him very happy. So my dears, that's all for today, and maybe a couple of days later I will start to cut these leathers. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Be happy. Bye. The new projects are coming.